Hello, my good people. Welcome to my kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make a deliciously rich and flavorful creamy coconut chicken curry. Guys, this dish is amazing. I'm telling you, it's amazing. So stick around as we dive into secret ingredients and cooking techniques that will transform simple ingredients into a very perfect dish that's sure to impress your family and friends, guys. So let's get started. So, guys, I'm going to start by seasoning my chicken with salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and minced garlic, guys. Then, after this, I'll just cover my chicken and marinate for some times before I start cooking. So guys, I'm going to start by searing the chicken first. So in my pan, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Then next, I just go in with my chicken and sear the chicken first before I cook the curry. Guys, now let me just flip my chicken so it can cook on the other side too. Yeah. So guys, I see my chicken pieces are ready now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove them and continue with the rest of the cooking. Using the same oil and pan, I'm going in with my onions and I'm going to cook them until they become fragrant. And now guys, I'm just going in with my garlic. Onions are ready now. Next, I go in with my tomatoes, my grated tomatoes, or you can just blend the tomatoes. Salt, paprika, cumin, red chili powder. Guys, my tomato mixture is ready. As you can see, it has separated with the oil. So I'm just going to go in with my chicken. And now, guys, I'm just going to go in with water. And after this, I'll just reduce the heat and leave my chicken to simmer on low heat, guys. So guys, my chicken curry is almost ready. So let me just go in with my garam masala. So guys, I'm actually finishing here. So let me just go in with my coconut cream. Guys, this coconut cream is just going to give a twist to this chicken curry, guys. This is just a game changer for this chicken curry, guys. So guys, my creamy, wow guys, it's delicious, I'm telling you. Wow, guys, my creamy coconut chicken curry is ready, guys. Just look at it. It's flavorful, it's creamy, guys. It's delicious. Yeah, guys. So, kindly, guys, go try this recipe, this chicken recipe, and tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section, guys. Yeah. And for those of you who are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing and don't forget to like, comment, and share. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my videos and supporting me. I really appreciate your efforts, guys. So, guys, thank you so much once again for watching this video. Bye and see you in my next episode.